Hey guys, it's me, Matt here, also known as Newton, and today I am showing you guys how to change the size of a window in GameMaker and toggle full screen in GameMaker 2. So, to start off, what I did was create a new project, GameMaker language, and yeah, so we're going to start by creating a new sprite, and I'm going to call this sprite SPR button, just because we're just going to use this as a button for this tutorial. I'm going to change the size of this to 64 by 32 and apply that. Now we're going to double click this thing here, zoom out a bit, clicking Control and just scrolling in and out. So now next thing to do now is we're going to give it a color. So let's pick a nice old color. Let's go for a bluish color. Alright, yeah, that'll be fine for now. And we're gonna change where the origin is to middle center. After that, click on the object thing and right click and create a new object, and we're going to call this OBJ button 1. So this button is just going to be for changing the size of the window, and we're going to assign the SPR button sprite to this. And then we are going to add a new event, create, and you can use the middle part of your scroll and just press that down to move this. Yeah, so now we're just gonna make some variables. So we're gonna make a new variable called size, and we're gonna make this equal to 1. So that is going to be the first size of our window for now. And so now we're just going to add a new event. So we're going to add a new event, mouse and left pressed. So now we're going to add some more to window size. We're going to add one to size variable. So now we're going to say if size doesn't equal 4, we're going to no, sorry, 3. We're going to have 3 sizes. So if size doesn't equal 3, we're going to say size add equal 1. Now we're going to say if size is equal to 3, curly brackets, we're going to say size goes back to 1. So basically what this does is, so we're starting at 1. If we click on this for 2 other times to take it to 3, but that will just add 1, that's fine. But once we're at 3 and we click it again, it goes back to 1. So that's all that done. Now we're going to add a new event again. It's going to be a draw event and just a normal draw. So now we're just going to draw the size of the window. So we're going to make draw set color to see white. So that's just going to set our text and everything that we draw to white. And actually before that, let's do draw self, because we want to draw our current sprite and then draw the text we're going to show over. So draw text XY string size. So that's that for now. Let's go into our room, which is room 0. We're going to zoom out a bit here. Change the background color to, what should I change it to? I'll change it to a greenish sort of color. There you go. Now I'm going to drag my, oh wait, that doesn't work, sorry. Click on your instances then, and then just put the button somewhere in the room. Save your project, and let's test this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh no, it only goes to 2. So that was a problem in our code here. So we're going to go back to our left pressed event and make it 4. So it will show the third one. And we want to click into the draw one, and we're just going to put some speech marks and times, which it means times 1, times 2, times 3, which just shows which size it is. So now, as you saw there, the text was like sort of below, but that's because in our SPR button we changed the origin to its center, so we have to actually set it to its center again, which is a bit weird. So we just have to change its alignment. So we have to set the H align, which is the horizontal alignment, to F8 center, and we have to do the same for the vertical. There you go. So now if we test our game again, you can press F5 or just arrow on the left. So now if I click this, 1, 2, 3, it goes up to 3 and it loops if you click it multiple times. Cool. Now let's actually start resizing our screen. So we're going to add a new event. It's going to be a step event, and we're going to change the size of the window. So now let's do that. So we're going to say if size, remember that's the variable we had before, equal to 1. So we're going to do 12024 divided by 3. Since that doesn't work, 4, 256. Actually no, I tested that before, that did not work. 2, 512. Just to tell you, 1024 is the default size of your screen, but actually, of the room. Let's actually change that though to, what was it? Forgot now. Let's set it to 640. No, not 640. 320 by 240. Let's just move the button to down there. Now let's set the window size. So window size set size is equal to 320 by 240. And we're gonna just copy and put, gonna highlight the section and just copy this out another 2 times since it goes up to 2. So 2, 3. So if you times, so we're just gonna times each piece by 2 now. So 320 times 2 is 640. 240 times 2 is 480. Now 640 times 2 is 280, and 480 times 2 is, I think, 720. I think that's right. 48 times 2, sorry, 960. I didn't multiply that, I just remember some numbers. So now, if we run our game, this should work. So we got our window here, nice window, times 1 at the moment. If we click again, times 2, resizes, If we click again, times 3, and there you go. We've successfully resized our screen. So that was my first part of the tutorial. Now we're going to actually want to right click this object and duplicate it and name it OBJ button 2. So, and after that we want to go back into our room and unselect the button from the instances. So we can't, so it's basically deleted from the room, because now we're going to toggle full screen. So we don't need loads of these events like size. I know, like create. So create, we don't need. Do we need size? No, we do not need that size. Sorry, step. And we're going to change this to. So we're going to change this now a bit. So we're going to say if window get full screen brackets equals false. So we're going to then put some curly brackets, false. So this is, so here, oh wait, let me just type the code first and then I'll tell you guys what I'm doing. So here I'm just checking if the window is full screen and checking if it is false, and if it is, draw it as false, and I do the same for true, just change the values. Now let's go into our left pressed, and we basically do something similar. So let's actually change comment, changing full screen, yeah. And now we're going to do if window get full screen equal brackets equals false, window set full screen true. We're gonna copy and paste that now and just change those values, switch them around, and there you go. So now if we run our game, it should work. Oh wait, doesn't work because we haven't actually put the object in the room. Let's put the object in the room, and now let's test it. So you can see here it's false because we're not full screen, and if we click it, it doesn't go full screen, which is really weird. Let's change to a else, window set full screen false. Now let's test that again. Hopefully it does work this time. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you did like this video. If you did, subscribe and like and show your support by doing that. I much appreciate it, and I will see you guys all in the next, hopefully, GameMaker 2 video. See you later guys, goodbye, have a good day, see you.